Hi guys, so I'm actually on the Indus River in Ladakh, which is completely frozen, and this is part of the Adventure Pulse Winter Climbing Workshop 3.0. We spent the last 6 days over here learning the basic skills required for mountaineering, from jumaring, rappelling on rock face and ice face. I think these skills are essential because it allows potential and amateur climbers the right kind of opportunity to not just understand and learn the skills but also practice them, so that when they go to the mountains, whether it's a 6,000 meter, whether it's a 7,000 meter, they get the confidence to navigate this terrain.
Hi, I'm Nancy and we're here for the winter climbing workshop, and I'm having such a lot of fun doing a lot of things that I'm doing for the first time with some really cool gear and learning how to rock climb. Today we're going to be ice climbing up that very scary ice facade, but it's been super fun and I totally recommend it.
Day 6 of the climbing workshop, right?
Yeah.
We're here, we're trying to prepare a quick mountaineering meal. We went, collected some ice to melt. Now it's turned into water. One group is making Maggie, this one's making tea. And coffee. Improvise and
Minimize.
It's been such a fun workshop. We learned how to climb on rock, then on ice, and now we're just having a chill day walking on a frozen river.
We've also had some very experienced mountaineers who joined us to give you a perspective where they've come back year after year to just re-practice their skills. This, I think, is a fantastic opportunity we have to share the experience we've gained in the last 14 years with people who aspire to reach greater heights.